dear learners, my dear students, my dear good wishers. Now, today I will again present before you to give some important informations about WH words, and the information which I will give today is very significant, very essential. Today, firstly, I will describe to you the most and vital use of who. We often converse, we often make communications with our friends by using who. So, who is one of the most essential part of WH words, of WH family words. As we have already discussed that there are 9 WH words which are most important. We cannot avoid the significance of those WH words, among who is one of the most important of them. So today I will show to you where and how who is used. Now let's everybody go to whiteboard. Firstly, I have already written here use of who. This is my 22 class of spoken English, and as you know, what is the meaning of who? Who means, we know that K or Kara, okay? And we should also know that every WH words has two kinds of characteristic in using it. Firstly, a WH word firstly used as to make questions. It's a one point of view, and in another way, a WH word is used as a conjunction. Here, from my last few classes, I am describing to you, I am explaining to you how to form questions by using WH words. So WH word is very vital, as I have already explained to you. That's why today I will describe to you this one of the most essential parts of WH words. So who means Ke ba Kara, and as you know, who is used mainly for persons. It is used mainly for persons. Person or persons. That means ek ba ekadik byaktir khetre who boshe. Now, very careful. Everybody concentrate on me and give me your rapt attention. Otherwise, you cannot make out what I am saying to you. Now, who is used? Who is used mainly in 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the board very carefully. Who is used mainly in 4 places. Where are they? Firstly, for a person's identity. To describe a person's identity, to know about the person's identity, we often use who. As you know, who are you? Okay? We often make these questions. Who are you? Here, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? Ke hoy tomar bhalo bondhu? Who gave you the book? Ke tomake boiti diyechilo? Who called you yesterday? Gotokal tomake ke dekechilo? Okay. There are so many questions. Who believed you? Ke tomake sahajjo korechilo? Okay. Who made you happy? Ke tomake khushi korechilo? Everywhere. To know about a person's identity, to know about a person's activity, we can always make questions with who. So in conversations or in communication world, in communications with our friends or with our officially or any other places, mainly in communications, who is often used to about a person's identity. Okay, suppose who invited you to the party? Who invited you to the party? Ke tomake party te nimantron janechilo? Who believes you? Ke tomake bishwas kore? Okay, etc. Who is your best writer? Ke tomar bhalo lekhok? Who is your best friend? Okay, etc. So you may question so many, you make questions so many type of way in this way. Now, second, so firstly, we have clear, listen carefully, we came to know that who is used to describe a person's identity. To describe or to explain a person's identity, we can use who. Okay, does it make any sense to you? Thank you so much. Always concentrate on me. What I am saying to you, you will always concentrate on me, and we will also you will also give your rapt attention on the board, where I have written so many sentences, so many rules. So you give importance to my words, and you will give also importance to the writing which here have been. Secondly, who is used as an object of a verb. As an object of a verb. Suppose first sentence, who did you meet at night? Who did you meet at night? রাতে তুমি কার সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করেছিলে? Yes, we have already told you who মানে কে বা কারা, but here who did you meet at night? Who did you meet means কাকে তুমি সাক্ষাৎ করেছিলে at night, রাতে. Here we have used meet because the sentence is in past tense, simple past tense. That's why I have used here did, and here present form of verbs have been used. Second example, who will you bid goodbye? কাকে তুমি বিদায় জানাবে? Who would you remind tomorrow? Who would you remind tomorrow? কাকে তুমি আগামীকাল স্মরণ করবে? Who would you remind? কাকে তুমি স্মরণ করবে? Listen carefully. You may think the meaning of the sentence in different way, but it's the right way. Okay? We make questions in such type of sentence with whom, but we may also make questions by using who. So who would you remind tomorrow? কাকে তুমি আগামীকাল সাক্ষাৎ করবে? So here in second categories, in second classifications, we are explaining the use of who as an object of a verb. Thank you. Now let's go to number 3. As an object of preposition, that means prepositioner object হিসাবে who ব্যবহৃত হয়. Let's go to example. Who are you buying the pen for? Who are you buying the pen for? তুমি কার জন্য কলমটি কিনছো? It's a present continuous tense. Who are you buying the pen for? Okay, you may answer this. I am buying the pen for my sister. Okay, I am buying the pen for my brother. I am buying the pen for my friend. You may answer like this. But your questions, whenever who will be used as an object of a prepositions, your question formation will be like this. I have given here 3 examples, and by maintaining this structural form, you will have to make your sentence. Suppose second example, who will you convey the message to? কাকে তুমি এই মেসেজটি দিবে, অর্থাৎ এই বাণীটি বা এই কথাটি তুমি কাকে প্রেরণ করবে? ওকে, কনভে মিন্স প্রেরণ করা বা কাউকে পাঠানো. থ্যাংক ইউ. সো থার্ড এক্সাম্পল, who was he speaking to? কার সঙ্গে সে কথা বলছে? Who was he, past continuous tense. Who was he speaking to? কার সঙ্গে সে কথা বলিতেছিল বা কথা বলছিল. So these are the third uses of who. I am repeating, who is used here in third categories as an object of a preposition or object history. Third, number 4 and final, as who is used as idiomatical. Suppose who am I? You may get a movie named as Who Am I? That means Amike. So this type of questions idiomatically may be used by using who. So my dear learners, my dear students, you can easily understand what I am saying to you about who. There are mainly 4 categories, 4 characteristics of using who. You should concentrate, you should read, and you should follow my classes very attentively, and you will follow every example. Then there you will have no problems in making sentence. Thank you so much. I will meet you next. Thank you.